is a lesson in safety. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe to help us bring more thrilling safety stories your way.
Importance of seatbelt. In every accident, we often see the damage outside, the broken glass, the bent metal. But what we don't see is what happens inside the human body. This video reveals why wearing a seatbelt isn't just about following a rule. It's about protecting your life from the inside out. As you've seen in this video, a seatbelt has two critical effects. The first is visible. It keeps the occupant secured in place, preventing them from being thrown around or ejected during a crash. But the second effect is often overlooked. It protects the internal organs. When a person is thrown forward or rolled inside a vehicle without a seatbelt, the body experiences severe internal trauma, damage that may not be visible immediately, but can be fatal. That's why wearing a seatbelt is not just a precaution. It's protection from both seen and unseen harm. Insightful safety videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay informed. Stay safe.